First up, you are not required to produce what I'm going to be showing you. You're invited to try it out. The next MasterPixels 101 quest will have the step-by-step instructions. This quest is about wrapping your head around the concept. Now, our customers, once we begin producing, packaging, and selling our digital assets, our customers are artists. Our customers are interested in visual beauty. They know, like what the Mona Lisa is. But what if we sampled pixels from great works of art? Great works that are CC0. This means they're in the public domain and free to use or reuse for any purpose, including resale. So how cool if we produce, a Mona Lisa Pixel Pack Volume 1 and then had a little bit of information about where the pixels came from, and I'll show you how to track all this. It's really cool, and it's pretty easy, and it's a lot of fun. But again, you're not required to do this. Now, the actual size here and the 100 by 100, this is just an example. This is not the finished product. This was the first idea. And this link goes to a page which has the Mona Lisa's picture that I sampled from. We are free to do that. Now, this quest, and this goes not just for Western art, any art from any culture that is CC0. So if you're interested in delving into other less well-known works of art, please, you're invited. The sky's the limit here. But, I just want to sample pixels from this picture of a car. That's nowhere near as interesting and has the connection to art history. This is a niche, and we've been advised by those that know a little bit more than us, Dustin Lee in particular, to find a niche. All right, so this quest. Now here's the optional part. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to do it. Do not click beyond stage 2, okay? You just leave this quest alone. But for the rest of you, go to the Twitter feed. Just, click on the link. You're on the Mac Lab. You're watching this video. Off on the right-hand side is the Twitter feed. Click there and scroll down and scroll down and scroll down until you get down here to November 16th. See, this is during school. You can see 10:03 a.m. This is Christopher and his very cool processing app. But above that, right after school, notice if you hover over this, 2:17. So it's after school. I had a, kind of one of those aha moments. Now remember, if you're not interested in this, you don't have to keep watching this video. You can stop it right now. But for the rest of you, this is an avenue of potential gold mine of creativity. So from this point on, scroll up, read the words, follow the thoughts, follow the evolution of this idea, and how right here especially, this is starting to come into focus for me. And this idea that's being played out here is one that plays out the rest of break. Okay, during school, this is Friday, this is during school, and this is after school. Okay, so actually this is Saturday. So I got up and started doing this, and I'll let you work your way up. I'm going to stop now. The idea that this all evolved came into play, and now I know how to show you how to do it and can show you a bunch of other neat tricks. Even if you're not going to sample these pixels, it's worth learning these Photoshop skills and Illustrator skills, because Illustrator plays a key part in this. I'll stop now, but I want you to work your way up to the top, following the flow of ideas. And yeah, it'll take probably the whole period. It's up to you. All right? Have fun with this and try to wrap your head around it because I really believe this is a winning idea.